Hi everyone, I'm Monica Davis with the Monica Davis Group at Compass, and today I'm going to give you a complete market update for South Florida, including Broward County, Palm Beach, and Miami-Dade, and how national trends are shaping our local housing market as we head towards 2026. We will cover what's happening with the government shutdown, VA and FHA loans, interest rates, pre-construction, flood insurance, and what investors are doing right now. Let's jump in. As of early October, the U.S. government entered a partial shutdown after Congress failed to pass a new funding bill. Here is what that means for real estate. FHA, VA loans are still operating but slower. Many offices are running with a limited staff, causing underwriting and verification delays. Conventional loans, though, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, are not impacted, so buyers using those products can move forward without interruption. Flood insurance has been affected during the shutdown. Without flood insurance renewal, lenders can issue a new flood policy for homes in flood zones, a big deal for Florida. However, some private insurance companies are temporarily offering coverage to keep closings on track. That's why it's critical to have a proactive realtor and a lender on your team to avoid delays. The good news: mortgage rates have finally dropped to around 6.1%, the lowest in a year. Economists expect that the Federal Reserve could cut rates again at its December meeting. If that happens, we could see rates closer to 5.9% by the start of 2026. This is a big boost for affordability and buyers' confidence. So buyers, don't wait for the perfect moment. Get pre-approved now and be ready to lock in a rate if you find the right home. And for sellers, use this window to market aggressively while lower rates bring new buyers into the market. In Broward County, the inventory has increased by over 20% this year, and homes are staying on the market longer, about 79 days on average. That means buyers have more leverage to get negotiation and price in terms. In Palm Beach County, it has seen a slightly softening in prices, especially in the condo market, while luxury properties remain stable. Miami-Dade continues to lead the luxury market with headline-making sales, but even there are some days on the market that has been extended, and we're seeing a more balanced environment. Simply, South Florida is in a buyer's market. Buyers have more options, and sellers need strong marketing and realistic pricing to stand out. Let's talk about investors and who is winning in this market. According to the national reports, small landlords still dominate the investor space. They are buying single-family homes and duplexes at discounts and holding them as rentals. In Broward and Palm Beach, investors are snapping up properties that need minor updates but have great rental potential. And here is something local. Programs like Hometown Heroes and City Down Payment Assistance are helping first-time home buyers compete again. So you want to act fast if you want to buy a property before demand starts to increase again. Miami and Broward continues to shine in pre-construction. New developments in Brickell, Edgewater, Wynwood, and downtown Miami, like also Hollywood in Broward or Fort Lauderdale, are drawing both domestic and international buyers. Pre-construction offers investors flexibility. You can also secure a unit today with 10, 20%, or 5% down and pay the rest during the project as the project continues to build up. Many of these projects allow short-term rentals and amazing opportunities for you to live a luxury life. Always do your due diligence in rental policies and developer track records. One of the projects that are causing the great sensation here in South Florida is Umbel. Umbel is located in Fort Lauderdale by the Flagler Village area. It's a great location, and with as low as 5%, you can secure your unit in this amazing pre-construction property that is going to be built in 2028. I have a lot of information for you to start building and creating wealth with this project. If you need additional information, just contact me below and we can set up an appointment. So what's next for 2026? Most experts expect a stable 2026 with home prices rising between the 2.5% and 4%. If the Fed cuts rates again in December and inflation stays under control, we'll likely see more buyers re-enter the market. South Florida remains one of the most dynamic real estate markets in the nation. Yes, there is uncertainty in some areas, but there are also incredible opportunities if you know where to look. If you want a personal marketing analysis or need guidance on investing, buying or selling in Broward, Palm Beach, or Miami-Dade, reach out to us. Monica Davis Group is your trusted team. We are here to help you make smart moves before 2026. Y recuerda, Monica Davis es tu realtor de confianza.